Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie a turban gele, and the measurement for this gele is 50-50. You're going to make 6 to 7 pleats, place at the back of your head and bring forward. If your fabric size is bigger, you can make more than 7 pleats, but we are going to make do with 7 pleats here. Place at the back, bring forward and cross. This style is very simple. I already have a turban tutorial on my channel, but this is different and easy to do. So watch carefully. Ensure your pleats are neat and the V is at the center. After that, you cross. Then you take a pleat and pin to the base before you wrap around the head. So just watch carefully. When we pin to the base, we are going to fold it. Now, as you can see, we've taken that one pleat round the head, or let me say to the middle of the head, and we've pinned and ensured that it's secure. After doing it on this side, we are going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Then we will tuck everything in. Normally, this gele is supposed to take you like 5 to 6 minutes. You get, but because of proper explanation and illustration, it took us this much. So do not be scared, just watch carefully and you're going to achieve a beautiful look. Now we are folding it in, as you can see. When we are done folding it in, we are going to pin both sides together and we are done with our gele. You see it now. We come to the back, ensure that it's arranged properly, you can't see any loose ends. Then we go to the top and begin our pinning process. I'm going to leave the previous turban tutorial on the screen. If you've watched that before and you're watching this one now, just write in the comment section which one is finer. To me, Sha, I will tell you people later, but I know the one that is finer. You see how our gele is coming together. Even if you're on low cut, it's going to suit you perfectly because it has that puffy look that makes it look like, you have hair. And it's very neat. You aren't going to see any loose ends. So what you're going to do, you tie it on yourself, you accompany it with your accessories, and you're good to go. Guys, please, if you watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment. Thank you so much. I see our gele, very fine. Our gele is 90% done. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Bye.